How to open multiple tabs in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to open multiple tabs in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open your browser and then open notion.com. And then once you're in here, go ahead and sign into your account. And then once you're on your account, go ahead and hover your mouse into that specific page which you want to open into another tab. So you'll find these three dots at the left side of that page. Click on that and then click on this Open a New Tab button. So repetitively do that with the other page that you want to access to be able to open multiple tabs in your Notion account. So that is how you can basically do that. So there are actually no options for you to open a page on another tab by right clicking on it. You just need to hover your mouse into that page name and then click on the three dots at the right side of that specific page name, and you'll be able to find this Open a New Tab option to access your pages into new tabs. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.